Welcome to Vani Media, guys. Here we have a new podcast with Marilena. So we'll dive into it and let's discuss about the new topic. So, hi Marilena.
Hi Shivani, I'm great.
Like viewers want to know what exactly you are doing, and could you please tell me about yourself?
Sure, I'll do that. It's good evening to all the viewers over here. And I'm Leena, and I'm a co founder of Skills and Serenity. So, we are here completely about upskilling the skills of the people who are working in the corporate as well as the people who are also working in the startup companies in order to make them understand the corporate culture and how it has to go further is the main scenario of our business. And we have given n number of sessions to topmost companies like MNCs as well as startup companies as well. The major feedback we got from them is like their work process has been increased after we given sessions for them. That was a testimonial and that was really improvised our way of working more effectively in order to tune those employees to again work in an proactive way. And when I'm talking about a career has inspired me, I can say about everyone has the traits. See, for example, we are not like same like other person. We are, even though there are cases people end up saying that we are identical, but still our fingerprints itself is unique. So obviously our characters or traits are. So that has inspired me to start up this particular business, which eventually going in a proper way where we have aimed for. So I want to advise for the fresh graduates is completely about don't blindly step into the corporate without having the notion of it.
Yeah.
Because I have heard I heard and I have taken many informations from the top CEOs as well as the startup CEOs as well as top project managers from MNCs. They're saying that they're just going like a shepherd by following the other person rather than understanding their own traits. So that is what is very important because we're not capable. I'm not saying we are not capable of everything. We are capable of only the thing that we are actually into. So
Yeah.
once we have identified that, our career would be beautiful. So my advice for all the graduates is like don't just fall thinking that my friend is getting a profitability on that. Rather analyze it properly how that will help the person eventually in that particular cases your career would be good. So don't blindly go with it thinking that the salaries are more, the market level is more, or I can look on to. So those all things will not match up with everyone. It is all about understanding self. So that is what a main advice I'm going to give you. And regarding the continuous learning and upskilling, what we do in this field is like we're having another project we are starting, and that is completely about webinar that we are providing for all the BTech students as well as BSc and computer background students in order to make them understand the demand of the new technologies in the market because many of students are not aware of the tools. So we
Yeah.
have connected with many MNCs, project manager level techies who have extended their spread to help us, and we are organizing. And I want the BTech students, whoever is viewing it, please register yourself. It is completely free. We are not costing a penny. It is only about the awareness program that we want to give for the students to make sure that go in a right pathway. And that what qualities do successful professionals is determination and commitment. I can give you a best example of it. Alibaba is the inspiration for the business. If you know about Alibaba, it is like 3 years he waited for getting 1 rupee. If I'm converting that into the rupee value, one getting a 1 penny itself, he waited for 3 years. So you have to understand, you can't say when I started my business, it doesn't mean that you will get a profit. It's not gonna be like that. You have to wait, have a patience, commitment, determination. Ups and downs will be there in business. That doesn't mean you have to go down or you have to think about, okay, this is not my cup of tea, is not the strategy of a person. It's like, okay, chalo, I'm able to understand the market level and I'm able to step in to the strategies and clearing the up downs whatever we are getting in and converting that to ups. So that is what the things that we are also following. And the success of our business is all about commitment and determination my team has, that eventually has made us to reach out to the people. So I can say, Shivani, this is what the thing that I want to just share with the people.
Yeah, that's great and that's amazing. So, viewers want to know like what inspired you to pursue in this career, or like how do you help the people in this field more?
Will help because this career which we have chosen, it is completely about, I personally has explored as I worked as a corporate trainer in major educational institution, and I've been connected, networked with many HRs of the companies. There I got many informations regarding what is a bridging gap between the students as well as the employees, managers, why they're not able to recruit. See, when you see High Tech City or Gachibowli, the
Yeah.
buildings are huge. The big buildings of corporate, many offices are there, but why still unemployment is more? If you see Deloitte office, if you see Dell, or if you see the
Yeah,
topmost, you just go at around 10:30, 11, you will see walk-ins drive. That
definitely.
means what? It is opportunities are there. Only thing is competent people are not there.
Yeah.
We have prospective people, if I'm gonna say, you are eligible to apply for that particular company, but I'm not sure you are fit enough into that corporate. So in order to make you fit enough, we are the source.
Oh, great,
We
great.
convert the people of like we can say prospective to the competent, so that the person who is stepping into the interview will never come back. He'll come back only with an offer.
Sure.
So that is what our strategy is.
That's amazing. So, how can individual prepare themselves for the future work in the industry, or like you wanted to give us some tip for them?
Industry is dream, but don't sleep with the dream. Dreaming is good. You have to dream, because if Elon Musk would have not been dreamt, maybe he would have not been in this particular stage. Because if you see, many critics are against the person. When he took over Twitter, when he started with XSpace, people were completely against to it, but he stick on to that. That means individual. If you can look on to, he's playing his own individual role rather than depending on the people.
Yeah,
He is my inspiration. So I can say individual achievement only happens when you know what you are. If many people come to you and say this is not gonna work, you have to prove them this works. And
yeah,
if I'll ask you a small question, Shivani, if you don't
yeah,
mind.
yeah.
Whom you admire most in recent founders, whatever the founders we have in, whom you admire more?
See, generally not like following or admire, but I really like the concept of the Amazon. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
Okay, so if the same question retrieves back to me, I will say self.
yeah. It's really
That
nice.
is
Yeah,
very, very important. That is because if you won't admire yourself, how can you prove that you are a good founder?
yeah, yeah,
So,
yeah,
admiring founder or following the founder is you, because
yeah,
you know how much of struggles you have done. You know,
yeah,
in order to reach to this particular pace, what type of things you have gone through. Many people would have been said, this is ridiculous, whatever the business you are doing in, you're wasting your time. You have resigned for your opportunity and you are stepping into full time. Many family members would say, friends would say, many people will try to poke onto it, but still we have stick on. So that is what we are the founders. So I'll say, for the people who are individual focusing on the success, because only one life we have, so in that particular cases, we are the best person to design a career.
sure. It's definitely true one, and like genuinely, viewers will be getting us so much supporting on this. Like one more question for you, like how does the company support employee well-being and mental health? Like if I go through B2B. So how?
Now, in a sense, mental health of an employee is only because of stress,
Mm-hmm.
and the next and foremost thing, pressure. These are the two areas where an employee mentally be disturbed. Simple statement: if you're working in a corporate office or any company you're working in, your boss won't praise you, rather, he praises the other person who didn't do anything.
Yeah, it's
There, our
true.
mental torture starts out. Our mental torture starts out. So, how, as a trainers, how we identify that and how we try to make them understand that taking that into our stress will lead us physically ill, and that eventually makes us not to reach to our success. So we have our modules, we have our what we say stress busters things that we organize for individual as well as group, that eventually make their thought process to be more mature in handling those type of situations and coming out of it, that eventually make them nothing can shake them up when they are focusing on the success.
Yeah,
So
definitely.
mental state only happens when a person doesn't have confidence.
Sure, yes.
So to build up the confidence, we have to make sure we have modules in our website.
Mm-hmm.
We do have enormous of modules that we have portrayed in, and
Yeah.
we customize those modules for the people who need it, and we organize. Either it can be online or either it can be offline.
Could you tell the viewers of your website so directly they can go just
Yeah,
search that?
my website is www.skillsernity skillsandserenity.com.
Okay, yeah, great. So one last question I would like to ask you, like,
Sure,
how
sure.
can
Please shoot up.
yeah, thank you. So how can individual improve their communication skill both within a outside and the organization? So like most of the people want to
Communication
ask this.
skills, yeah.
Yeah.
Communication skills only can be improvised when we are practicing.
Mm.
If you're not practicing, truly speaking, communication cannot be. Communication doesn't mean like I know English, I can speak up. That is not actually a communication. That is just about the barrier wherein the other person knows English, I'm speaking. So that is not enough for the corporate. You have to be pro in your English.
Yeah.
That is advanced communication should be there. That will be professionalized, and that training also we are providing it with proper case studies as well as role plays that eventually makes the person who are connecting to us to learn and be in an advanced English. What I am saying is like communication in or the corporate, it only happens when you're practicing.
Yeah.
People say that you see Netflix series and all, your communication will increase. How many people are not hiding the subtitles and viewing it? Everyone
Yeah.
are using subtitles. When they're using subtitles for English also, then where is the learning process?
Definitely. Yeah.
Learning process only happens when you are hiding the subtitles. First time, truly speaking, you can't understand anything.
Hmm.
But as continuously you are looking onto it, your what we'll say, your understanding levels improvises, and through practice, you know which word has to be used where.
Yeah.
That only happens with the practice.
Yes.
I can't inject. I'm not a doctor of English where I can take a wish. I would have done that. I would have taken a syringe and whoever wants to have posh or advanced English, I will inject that liquid into the body. Then everyone can speak up. God has not created that. The reason is people should not be lazy. So please, practicing makes people perfect.
Yeah.
That is what I want to suggest.
Definitely, this one is a biggest tip for the all the viewers, and we are going to conduct more session. Depends on the viewers how they are commenting, and like if they wanted to see us more and more talking about on this session, or they can directly contact you through on your website or through on your chat. So we going to share the number on description, so they can directly contact you. And if there is any chances for any other course and free, we would definitely share you in the description. So I'm really
Sure, sure,
thankful
sure.
to give your time on our platform, Marilina, and really, really thank you so much.
Thank you, Shivani. Thank you, Shivani. It's nice to be part of it.
Yeah, thank you.